OmniShield is a professional system that, when installed properly, provides sanitation and protection against harmful microbes in the air and on all surfaces throughout the passenger cabin. The OmniShield system eliminates up to 99.999% of germs, bacteria, viruses, and mold without the use of harmful chemicals. It's EPA approved, non-toxic, and safe to use on all surfaces of the vehicle. We've designed this step-by-step video to help maximize the effectiveness of the products and the efficiency of the installation. Begin with OmniShield Sanitize. Remove the cap from the bottle. Insert the straw into the bottle and tighten the built-in cap. Now, put the applicator gun to the shop air and you're ready to go. Start from one end of the vehicle and work towards the other end. Begin to coat all surfaces with a thin layer, moving in a back and forth motion. Be sure to apply evenly to all surfaces, including the seats, the trunk and cargo area, the headliner, the carpet and carpet mats, the door panels, the steering wheel, the dash area, the center console, the exterior door handles, and the seat belts. Allow to dry for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're using a 2-part kit, you will now apply OmniShield Protect, the antimicrobial surface protectant. This product should be applied using the same steps as before. Keep in mind that any drips or excess product can be cleaned off using a clean microfiber towel. And don't worry, OmniShield is safe to use on all interior surfaces, including any electronic displays or touchscreens. Be sure to install the OmniShield hang tag on the mirror at the end of service, as well as the OmniShield window sticker if applicable. To learn more about OmniShield products, product rack cards are also included for use in guest areas. And that's how you apply OmniShield products to a vehicle. Thanks for watching.